Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and this is Iker Marsala. So for today's video, we're going to check out the YouTube estimated revenue of Chonas Kitchen. So this is a second account from Chonas My Kids. So as you can see, she has 36 upload video on her YouTube channel with 141,000 subscribers with a total video views of 4,979,039, so close to 5 million. And country is Australia. Channel type is people. User created August 12, 2019, so that would be more than 2 years. So total grade is letter B negative, and subscriber social blade rank is 745,016. Subscriber rank is 166,542, and video views rank is 775,334, and country rank is 1,402. So the people's rank is 24,424, and total subscriber for the last 30 days is 4,000 subscribers, so same as last month. And estimated monthly earning is $46 to $737, so not bad. And video views for the last 30 days is 184,000 something, and with down of 12.1%. So compared to the last month, I guess she gained 200,000 something. Total video views for weekly, and estimated yearly earnings of Chonas Kitchen is $553 to $8,800. So it's a little big, okay, or good. So since this is a second YouTube channel of Chonas Kitchen, maybe she is focusing on her other account, the Chona and My Kids YouTube channel. So we're going to compute the estimated YouTube revenue, the monthly one. So she has $46 times 48 is equals to 2,200, and 737 times 48 is equals to 35,376. So not bad. That's a huge money for me. So we're going to jump in to her estimated earnings, video views, subscribers, and date of uploaded video in her YouTube channel. So once again, she is currently residing in Australia. So the estimated revenue is working good, and I guess she can receive payment for a monthly of $100. So since I can see here is she got $31, $46, $21. So maybe she is not working this second channel so much, because she has another YouTube account, which is the Chona and My Kids YouTube channel. And anyway, she got a million views in here, and she got a lot of subscribers. So that is Chonas Kitchen. So I suppose not to vlog this one. So since I'm just wondering this Chonas Kitchens, it's look like Chona and My Kids. So someone says this is the second account of Chona and My Kids channel. So the daily average is 134 subscriber with a total video views of 6,146, with estimated YouTube revenue of $2 to $25 daily. And weekly average is 938 subscribers with 43,022 video views, with $11 to $172 estimated YouTube revenue. And for the last 30 days is 4,000 subscribers with 184,357 video views with $46 to 757 estimated YouTube revenue of Chona and Kitchen YouTube channel. So don't forget to subscribe Chona and Kitchen's channel, guys. So this is just a reference. So thank you so much for the social blade. At least I have the idea on how much she earned money on YouTube, on her YouTube. So she is the only one know the estimated revenue she get on her YouTube channel, and no one knows, only she can. To the followers of Chona and Kitchen's channel or Chona and My Kids channel, this is the second account of Chona and My Kids YouTube channel, the Chona and Kitchen. So I hope you can support the second account, and shout out of the owner of this YouTube channel, Chonas and Kitchen. And don't forget to subscribe, like and share her videos because she is amazing. Amazing, yes. And she is currently residing in Australia. I really don't know where in Australia, but she is currently residing in Australia, as I can see on her estimated revenue on the top of the heading of her YouTube channel. So that is Chonas and Kitchen YouTube channel. So we're going to go for her monthly gain video views for Chona and Kitchen. So there is a dot in there. All you have to do is to click the dot. So every dot, it represents the month of video views she gained. Like December, she got 167,350 views. And so the dot, just click the dot in there, guys. So November 2020, 194,000 video views and more. So that's for today's video, guys. So please subscribe to Chona and Kitchen channel, and of course to my YouTube channel, Iker Masalas. And yeah. So not bad for her monthly gain subscriber, 4,000. For me, that is a huge figure. So don't forget to subscribe at Chonas and Kitchen, and of course to my YouTube channel. And thank you for watching, and see you on my next vlog. Bye bye and keep safe, everyone. Happy New Year to all.